If you're looking for the latest AI tool that's causing a stir in the digital marketing world, Cuue is definitely one to check out. This newly released software promises to deliver top-notch results for businesses of all sizes, from automation to content creation. But what exactly makes Cuue stand out, and should you jump on board? I'm going to break down 7 key things you absolutely need to know about this tool. First off, Cuue simplifies workflows like no other software. It combines cutting-edge AI with user-friendly interfaces, making it accessible to both beginners and seasoned pros. If you've been using other AI tools and found them complicated or hard to integrate, Cuue might just be the solution you've been waiting for. Another thing I love about Cuue is its versatility. Whether you're in marketing, content creation, or project management, it offers a range of features that can enhance your productivity. It's built to handle everything from social media automation to deep content generation, saving you tons of time while boosting your output. You'll definitely see the difference when it comes to efficiency. Cue's analytics features are also next level. Unlike many other AI tools that just give you basic insights, Cuue dives deep into data. It helps you track customer behavior, conversion rates, and even suggests ways to optimize your processes. The data-driven approach means you're always staying ahead of trends and making more informed decisions. Now let's talk about pricing. Cuue offers a unique pricing model that's incredibly affordable for what it provides. Many AI tools can cost hundreds of dollars a month, but Cue's pricing is structured to be scalable, making it perfect for small businesses as well as larger enterprises. Plus, the best part? You can actually try it for free. Yes, you can get started with Cuue at zero cost from the first link in the description below. The AI technology powering Cuue is also something to be reckoned with. It's built on advanced algorithms that are constantly learning and adapting to your needs. This means the more you use Cuue, the smarter and more personalized it gets. Whether you're automating marketing tasks or refining your sales pipeline, Cuue is constantly evolving to meet your needs. One feature that stands out to me is the automation suite. You can set up automated tasks for your business without needing to have a technical background. This is perfect for entrepreneurs and businesses who want to save time and streamline their operations. From managing emails to scheduling social posts, Cuue handles it all. Lastly, Cuue offers excellent customer support. If you ever run into issues or have questions, their support team is ready to help you with anything. With detailed tutorials, live chat, and prompt responses, you can be sure that you're not left in the dark. So, is Cuue the best just released AI software out there? Honestly, for many businesses looking for an all-in-one solution, it's definitely worth exploring. You can try it completely free, and if it works for you, you'll have a powerful tool in your hands that can boost efficiency, automate processes, and increase your revenue. Before you go, I've included a list of my top recommended AI software in the description below. After testing thousands of AI tools, I found these to be the most reliable and effective. Don't forget to check them out.